How to collaborate on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can collaborate on Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to collaborate on Instagram Reels, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application first, and then go about creating your own Reels, such as uploading a video or recording a specific video. So I'll go to the Reels tab over here, and then I'll just tap on the Start New Video button, and then I'll choose a specific video that I want to choose and then upload to my Reels tab. Once I choose a specific video over here, what I need to do is to just tap on the Add button on the top right hand side of the screen. And then now again I'll tap on the Add button after I'm done editing. So I'm assuming that you are doing all of the editing yourself. I don't have to go through it necessarily, so I'll just tap on the Next button again. And on this specific page is where we will invite our collaborators. So over here you'll find the option called Tag People. All you have to do is tap on the Tag People option, and here you'll find this option called Invite Collaborator. Now keep in mind that if you do not find the Invite Collaborator option, you will not be able to do it on a personal or a private account. So if you have a private account, try to switch to a professional account. And if you already have a professional account yet you are missing this feature, then in that case you can simply try to come back to personal account and again switch to professional account. If it's still not working for you, then we've already made a detailed guide video on our channel. You can simply search them up in our channel list. Once you've done that, all you have to do is tap on the Invite Collaborator button, and as you do that, simply invite the collaborator that you want to add. So I'll just go ahead and invite some of the collaborators. You can add as many people as you like, and then tap on the check button on the top right hand side of the screen, and as you've done that, you'll have successfully invited collaborators on Instagram Reels. Now that other person will also be notified of this collaboration and will be able to post it on their feed as well, respectively. That is basically how you can add collaboration in Instagram Reels. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.